Start. Happy evening, everyone.
Happy evening, sir.
Start.
Firstly, I taught a lot on moments which I will tell you. I have faced a happy and sad moment at the same time. But the happiest moment for me was when my niece came in my life. When she was born first time, I hold her in my arm. That moment was the happiest moment for me.
Okay.
When she spoke for the first time, I was very happy to hear from her. When I come from office and I knocked my door, that time I expect her to open the door. She always fulfilled my expectation.
Perfect.
And after a tidying day, I saw her face and she gives me a hug. After that magical hug, I forgot my